Hey guys! So this video is going to be a little bit different because I'm not in the video because I just recorded the recipe itself and I'm going to be taking you through the step-by-step process and how to make this, but I still hope you enjoy. It's still all the same food and it tastes really good, so I hope you enjoy this banana bread slash cake recipe. When you have ripe bananas, it's So firstly, I'm just setting things up. I have my recipe book with me, which I can refer to. I'm also placing down newspaper because we're going to be dealing with oats and oats flour. I'm also very sorry about this video camera quality, but it's my first time. I'm just trying things out, so just deal with me. You'll be seeing other angles from my other camera as well, so don't worry. Also, don't forget to preheat your oven to 325 degrees. For this recipe, you'll need 3 ripe bananas and try to make sure they're ripe as possible because that's what gives the cake the sweetness. 1 3/4 cups of flour. Now for this recipe, I am using oats to make the flour. So when you're measuring, make sure you put a little bit more oats so that when you blend it together, it's just the right amount. 2 eggs, 1½ cup of sugar, 1½ cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So we're going to start off by peeling all your bananas, putting them in a bowl and mashing them up. The riper the better for 2 reasons. One I already mentioned because it's sweeter, also because it's easier to mash if it's more gross, I guess. I know it looks gross, it's a cake, and so there'll be lots more ingredients and it will taste really good, I promise. The next step is to add in both of our eggs. I like to do this one by one just so the mixture is really mixing together. Now I'm going to be adding the sugar. So the recipe calls for 1½ cups of sugar, and like I said, I did not add enough. I just added a few spoons. Now if you want it sweeter, go ahead, add more sugar. Next we add in ½ cup of vegetable oil and just mix that really well. Now you've got to add in 1/4 cup of milk and just stir that in. Now add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix again. Now we're just going to put aside our liquids in the bowl and make our oat flour. You're going to have to put it in some food processor, or I'm just using like a smoothie blender, and I just put 2 whole cups. Like I said, you need to add in a little bit more oats in order for it to be flour. Once the mixture is all blended together, add in your 1 teaspoon of baking soda into the flour mixture and then add it into the liquid mixture and then stir. Now you want to grease your pan. I'm just using oil, and yes, I use tissue paper and I just spread it all around, but it works really well. Finally, you want to pour in your batter into your baking pan and put it into the oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Here's the taste test. But maybe I should have added a little bit more sugar because it's not as sweet. I'm gonna try it. Is it sweet enough?
No.
It's sweet?
Yeah. No, too sweet.
Yeah, I didn't add that much sugar.
That's good. We can eat. It's good. It's like bread.
Yeah, it's like bread. Bread. This would be like a morning thing. But if you want it as a dessert thing, maybe it would need more sugar. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the video. If you want to eat this as more of a dessert, I recommend eating it with ice cream or adding some fruits and honey on top maybe. But if you want it to be more healthy, like my family did, just this recipe should be alright. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you click that subscribe button, the bell notification button so you know when I upload, and the like button. I'll see you next time. Bye!